Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in Joann and they have this new little section. It's called Unplug. So we're gonna try to go through and get as many prices as possible because you know they have the prices kind of hidden, but it says leave your worries behind. That is 40, and it says everything is 40% off. 40% off place and time, Unplug, Decor, entertaining, and textiles. Make memories. That's 40. This placemat is 40. Oh, it's actually longer. Let's see. Okay. And this sign is 70. This right here is 30. It feels like it's gonna like pop out. That's 40. And I have this little one right here. Looks like a shelf. 50. I have all the pillows. 40. 50 for this one. Oh, the rug is down there at the bottom. $60 and $50. I have the little lamp there again. $50. Oh, this one is 70. Oh, that's not gonna stay. 70. These are cute. Different little size mirrors. The bigger one is 50. This one is probably 30. Nope, 40. Two different sizes. These bells. 30. This cute little sign. 80. Like I said, I know the prices in here are pretty steep, but it is 40% off. That's still kind of high. So they have this one for 70 and the short one is 50. 25. 35. Wander, repeat. The base is 20. Wander outdoors. Leave your worries behind. 20. Live in the sunshine. 50. Life is better in the mountains. Little tassels. These are 40. Some blankets. Oh, that's not the price. They have the dogs. The little dogs. 15. This one is 15. Let's see how heavy. Oh, he's not heavy. He is 60. We are living our adventure. That one is 60. Wander outdoors. 35. Unplug and unwind. That one is 13. They have the door hanger for 15. Into the woods we go. 30. $35. Like a leather box. 25. Is that the same pillows? No. It's like a plaid. And they have these. The taller one is 25. And the shorter one is 20. Let's see. 45. Leave your worries behind, 50. Nature is my therapy, 35. And I have this one right here. This is pretty, 90. Nature is my therapy, 40. I'm not gonna try to pick these up because I know that these are not, you know what? Okay. Prove me wrong. 35. This one is loose though. 20. 40. What's this one? 35. I think it's a candle. You know what? It's probably a candle holder. Okay, the little top came off. The pillows are 30. Unplug and unwind. It says that on the bottom. Wander. Bottom of that one, and they have the blue pillows. These are some pretty vases. 50. The short one is 30 and the taller one is 35. This is cute. The leather. That is 50. And let me just show you guys the dish towels. Stress less, explore more. This must be the place. Living a good life. These are 13. Always take the scenic route. It's pretty much the same little one that they have on the pillows, right? Those are the pillows. They have some blankets. Let's see. Life is good in the woods. I have like the paper stuff. Always take the scenic route. Unplug. And then they have this. That's like really pretty. I'm gonna walk down the other way and see. This is all a part of the Unplugged collection. 30. Place and time. These are 13. It's like a little flag. They have some 4th of July stuff in here too. I know I'm like all over the place. That's the dog toys. Let's see. I did see a lot of more stuff on the end caps. Happy Play Leap. You have a game. Place and time. Calm and cool. 40. Place and time. I think this is something different. Okay. Summer all year long. See Labia. Look at the cute pillows. Oh, look at those watermelon pillows. This is cute. 30. Feeling tropical. These pillows. Find me under the palms. It's cute. Sunflower, palm. Sweet summertime. Free as the ocean. Okay, it came from this collection right here. That's cute. The wind chimes are 50. 30. You know what? Let me go down here because it's like a bunch of stuff going down that way. Free as a bird. C'est la vie. Summer all year long. The dish towels. They have some of the cups, some of the plates and stuff too. It's pretty. That mirror is beautiful. 100. Different styles available. That is 50. This is 50% off too. A 3 fish. 50. Make some waves. That is 80, 30. Okay, the ducks. The fish. That's 30. That's another stop back there. $25, $35, $40, $60. All the different sizes. This is cute. $30. Show you guys a better view. I'm like on top of it. And this one, I'm not even gonna try to pick that up. That one is 50. Oh, this is cute. A little chair. 20. 25. The fish, this is pretty, for 60. And then it goes into some watermelon, some extra pillows. And then look at this one. All is fine in the sunshine. 25. That's pretty. 25. What does that say? 40. They have the bowls. Let's Fiesta. 60. This one is 15. Cute palm tree. That's 50. These little signs are 14 and 20. What's these? These are cute. Some solar lights. These are 20. They have the black and the gray. Look at those. $35. They have silver and gold. That's a pretty one. Let's see if this is the same price. 30, and they also have white. These are 20. Some bees, sunflowers, and little birds. Let's see. Oh wow, I skipped all of these. These are 30. Pretty. These are bigger than the other ones. 35. 30. This is pretty. I like the colors of this. The bird feeder is 30. 20 for the hooks. That is 50. And this one is 50. Oh, look at these. I didn't realize these were tables. This is cute. Good catch. Hold on. I guess that's why the other person just left the rug here, but I was trying to show you guys this little table, which is 60. We saw something like this in the dollar section. Of course, not this color, not this heavy, but yeah, this just fell, so I'm gonna put it back. Some 4th of July over here. 60, 30. This one is 50, and they have the rug. $7.99. Let's see what they have down here. I think we took a look at all of this stuff before. Yeah, we did. I saw like some cute orange stuff over there. I want to show you guys. home. That's cute for 20. 40. Look at this. 30. These are cute. Okay. It's like the green vase. I mean, it's like they all have the same little print. I don't know if it's showing up because it's clear. This clock is 40. This welcome sign is 40. And it's just going into the bees and stuff. This stuff we did see in the last shop with me. Hello Spring. I like this little bike. It's pretty. Let's see. I did see like some orange and some more 4th of July. We're gonna get over there. Let me just show you guys this real quickly. I love when they have all the little bird feeders. They always have a lot of bird feeders in Joann. Here's more of the 4th of July stuff. 13, the picks. Have these little picks in the ribbon. This is what I wanted to show you guys, the oranges. 40% off of this too. 40 picks. They have the long vine. Let's see, and this is going to be the last little section I show you guys. 40, Sweet Land of Liberty, Home of the Brave, 40. This is 40, that's cute. Have the lanterns for 20, pillows, and that welcome sign. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping with me. Hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough at Joann, and I will see you guys in the next shopping trip. Those flowers are so pretty.